Hi G Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi. So I don't have any nail content, you guys. I just don't. I don't have any excuses. My reason is that I was in Las Vegas playing with my grandson, and I did film a couple things for you guys, but I didn't like them, honestly. And I've still got the footage, but I don't. It wasn't that I didn't try hard. I just honestly, I feel like I can do better. And I don't like to share things with you guys if I don't feel like it was my best work. That's not to say my best work is perfect. I don't know anybody's whose is. Honestly, I see lots of nail artists who have been doing it for decades still make mistakes. And that's perfect because that's human. That's us. That's just who we are. So, but I do have a couple things I don't think they're the best. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna redo them and bring them to you next week. So there's that. There's also some things I've got to do different on the channel because my daughter really hooked me up while I was out there sucking up the grandson love. And I won't be putting any of him on my channel. I just don't like kids on YouTube. There's a couple pictures of him on Instagram, but even with that, I keep it to a minimum because kids can't consent to anything. My dog wants to go out. I'm going to take him out in a minute. So my trip was great, except my dog got sick and kept me up for 3 nights in a row, and I was really tired. But other than that, I mean, the kids, it was so great to see all my grandkids. It was so great to see my kids. So great to see some friends I haven't seen in a long time. And we kept it all pretty COVID safe. It was pretty awesome. Everyone I know is really keeping themselves isolated. So, excuse me. That was really awesome. I was super busy the whole time I was there, and I had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful time. So I'm sorry there was not a video on Wednesday and that there's no nail content today, but I absolutely cannot regret the reason for it because it was really a great time. So one thing that happened though while I was there is that my daughter upgraded her iPhone, and her previous phone was an iPhone 8 Plus, I believe it is. And she gifted that to me. And so that's what we're going to be using from now on to make the videos. So I'm super excited about that. And but that is going to necessitate some changes to the channel. And by that, I mean like my opening where, you know, welcome to Down for Glam, all of that nonsense. That's going to have to change because it's not really compatible with this camera. And so there's going to be some changes, and there's probably going to be some hiccups here and there, but bear with me because there's a learning curve with any new bit of technology, and I am not perfect with technology. So I hope that my skill with the editing program and the features of this camera are going to continue to improve, and that will improve our content as well as just make me feel more confident in the videos. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, guys, I really want to keep it short today. I don't want to blab on and on and on and on, which, trust me, I could do. I loved my trip. It was wonderful. I'm enjoying this new phone. It's wonderful. And hopefully you will enjoy my nail journey throughout 2021. I hope it's going to be wonderful as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you coming by the channel. You guys rock out loud, okay? If you've not hit that red button, I don't know what's holding you back. If you've been here more than once, you know you like the content. Go ahead and click that bad boy and share this video. Well, maybe not this video, but all my other nail content videos, share that stuff, guys. Helps me grow this channel. We can get bigger and better and more awesome things going on the channel with more people here. So definitely help me spread the word. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.